FBA stands for Fulfillment by Amazon, which basically means that Amazon is handling all the shipping, tracking, picking, packing, and storing of your products for a small fee. They will even provide your customers with phone and email support for the shipping and return information. Amazon has invested huge amount of money to develop a fully automated network of fulfillment centers all around the world. You just need to simply send your inventory to one of Amazon's fulfillment centers and start selling your products either on Amazon Marketplace or on your own website. Amazon has fulfillment centers in the United States, Canada, Germany, United Kingdom, Italy, France, Japan, India, and Spain. I highly suggest that you use FBA if you're selling your own physical products, as it will help you keep your costs low, as you will be avoiding fixed monthly expenses, and you will be able to free up your time and focus on marketing and your brand and sales growth. Now, there are two main types of fees for selling on Amazon, and both of them occur only when your product is sold. So, beside your professional seller subscription of $40 per month, the selling on Amazon fees can be divided on fulfillment and marketplace fees. Fulfillment fees are for storing, picking, packing, and handling your products in Amazon fulfillment centers. And these fees are fixed per unit and depend on your product size and weight. On the other hand, the marketplace fees are commission-based, and for most categories are 15% of your selling price. In the following lectures, I will show you a special calculator which you can use to calculate the exact fees for each product that you want to sell on Amazon. So now let's cover why is Amazon FBA program the best platform that you can use for launching your new brand. The first reason is because you can send just a handful of units to their warehouses. There are no minimum requirements. You can send as low as just one product unit to their warehouses, so the barriers to entry are much lower than in traditional retail stores. The second reason is because Amazon has over 50 million Prime members worldwide. The Prime membership gives your customers the ability to receive your products in just 2 days with free shipping. The third reason is by using Fulfillment by Amazon, you will get better keyword rankings on Amazon than those not using the FBA program, as you will have better conversion rates and free shipping offered to your customers. This is because people trust Amazon, and they trust when on your product detail page is stated that the product is fulfilled by Amazon. The next reason is because you won't have to do all the heavy lifting, and you won't have the fixed monthly costs involved when managing your own warehouses. As I said previously, Amazon will store, pick, pack, and send your products. They will even provide your customers with tracking information, provide customer support, and even manage returns. So you will be focusing on what matters the most to your business. You will be focusing on marketing, providing value, and improving your products. And now the fifth and the most important advantage of Amazon FBA program is great cash flow. You will be able to handle huge growth since Amazon will pay you every 14 days for all the sales that occurred during those 14 days. And like I said previously, fulfillment fees occur only when your product is sold, so your cash flow levels will be almost always positive. And finally, the sixth advantage is the power of authority that Amazon has. Even if you're competing with huge established worldwide brands, people trust Amazon and relevancy of their search results. Which means that even though you're a new brand, people will trust you because Amazon has ranked you among other huge brands. Especially when on your product detail page is stated that your product is fulfilled by Amazon. So, the biggest takeaway from this lecture is that the barriers to entry are much lower than before, and that it's hard to get in local offline retail stores because your brand is new, and nobody will take the risk of offering something that is not yet proven to sell. But if you dominate the Amazon search results for your most important keywords and prove that your product has a decent demand, you will have much more authority when thinking of expanding your brand to local offline retail stores. So take the advantage of this multi-billion company that is growing like a startup. That's it. Let me know if you have any questions in the discussion tab of this lecture.